We are expanding our range of monitors and now have one at a great budget price. In our DroiX PM13 overview, we show you what you get with it, all the tech specs and the different ways and devices you can use with the monitor. First out of the box, we have the DroiX PM13 portable monitor itself. We will take a closer look at it shortly. Underneath is a user manual which is in English and covers everything needed to use the monitor. There is a USB power supply. We will include the correct adapter for your country. Next we have a USB cable which you can use with the power supply to power the monitor. There's a USB Type-C cable which you can use with compatible devices for video output. And last but not least, there is a HDMI to mini HDMI cable. Also included, but not in the box, is a case to keep the portable monitor safe when not in use or being carried. It has two inside compartments and on the back are two small compartments for storage. The DroiX PM13 measures around 11.37 by 7.4 by 0.59 inches and weighs around 494 grams. The display is a 13-inch TFT IPS display with a 2160 by 1350 resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio. All of the rest of the specs are on screen. The back has a 180-degree adjustable stand which is easy to adjust, but stiff enough to remain in position. It allows you to have the portable monitor at any angle on your desktop. There's two speakers in the back area. On the left side are a mini HDMI port and two USB Type-C ports. And on the right side is the power button, wheel button and 3.5mm audio port. Pressing the wheel button opens the portable monitor's menu. You slide up or down on the wheel to navigate and push it to select a menu option. Tapping the power button goes back one menu option. Once in the menus, you have options for the brightness, contrast, economy mode, colour temperature, saturation, audio volume level, language, HDR settings and more. There's a manual video input selection and on-screen display settings. The menu is easy to navigate and quick to access the settings. Let's now take a brief look at some of the devices you can use with the monitor, as well as different connectivity options such as USB power and HDMI, and one cable USB Type-C only connections. You can power the portable monitor with the included charger, or if your device has the capability, you can use that to power it either with the USB-A to Type-C cable or the Type-C to Type-C cable. If your device has USB Type-C output, you can both power and send video data to the monitor with one cable. Alternatively, you can use the included HDMI to mini HDMI cable for video. The DroiX PM13 portable monitor has a wide range of uses, starting with what we have shown in the video and expanding to uses such as security camera monitors, a preview monitor for video filming, a second monitor for your PC, laptop or handheld, a drone camera monitor for when flying and much more. The easy connectivity is what makes this a great monitor. You have a choice of power and video via USB Type-C, or for older tech, HDMI and USB charging. It's literally plug in and play. The DroiX PM13 is lightweight and very portable. You can use the supplied case to keep it protected or include it in your laptop bag for use as a second monitor, for example. The possibilities are endless. You can learn more about the DroiX PM13 portable monitor and buy yours today at droix.co.uk or droix.net for worldwide shipping. We currently have a sale running until April the 2nd with a 9% discount on the usual price. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and like, and we hope to see you back in our next video.